In this video, we add a new functionality to our existing prototype. We want to show you how easy it is to update your application using MeVisLab. Imagine we want to add a new functionality to our prototype application. In this case, we want to be able to additionally adapt the transparency of the overlay of our segmentation. Use the module search to add your macro module to your workspace. We need an additional UI element for setting the alpha value of the overlay. Open the script file of your module. In Mate, add another field to your parameters section and reuse the field by setting the internal name. Add the field to the settings section of your window, maybe directly after the color selection. Back in MeVisLab IDE, your user interface should now provide the possibility to define an alpha value of the overlay. Changes are applied automatically because you reuse the field of the SoView2D overlay module directly. You can also update your Python files for new or updated requirements. In this example, we just want to show the basic principles, therefore we only add this new element to the script file. For further information, please have a look at www.mevislab.de.